Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 23rd August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father has come to decorate you with the jewels of this knowledge and take you back home with Him. He will then send you to your kingdom. Therefore, remain in the limitless happiness of this. Have love for only the one Father. Question: what is the basis of making your dharana strong? Answer: in order to make your dharana strong, make it constantly firm within yourselves that whatever happened today was good, and that it will happen again after a cycle. Whatever has happened also happened a cycle ago, nothing new. This what took place 5,000 years ago, and it will definitely take place again. This haystack has to be destroyed. Constantly remain aware of the drama in this way, and your dharana will continue to become strong. Song is: the resident of the faraway land has come to the foreign land. Essence for dharana. Number 1. Perform every act while being accurate in this knowledge. Only donate to those who are worthy. Do not have any give and take of money, etc. with sinful souls. Settle your past karmic accounts with the power of yoga. Number 2. In order to maintain limitless happiness, talk to yourself, Baba, you have come to give us the treasures of limitless happiness. You are filling our aprons. We will first go back with you to the land of peace and then to our kingdom. Blessing for today. May you be a world benefactor and transform problems into solutions. Details are: I am a world benefactor. Let the elevated sanskar of this elevated feeling or desire now emerge. In front of this elevated sanskar, limited sanskars will automatically finish. Problems will be transformed into solutions. Do not now waste your time in battling, but let the sanskars of being victorious emerge. Use everything now for doing service and you will be liberated from having to labor. Instead of going into problems, give donations, give blessings, and your bad omens will automatically finish. Slogan is: instead of speaking about anyone's weaknesses or defects, become an embodiment of virtues and only speak about virtues. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. The Father has so much love for you children that He sustains you with love from Amrit Vela. The beginning of the day is so elevated that God Himself calls you to celebrate a meeting with Him, to have a heart-to-heart conversation with you and to fill you with power. The songs of the Father's love awaken you in the morning. He calls you and awakens you with so much love. Sweet children, lovely children, come. The practical form of the sustenance of this love is an easy yogi life.